What's up YouTube? My name is Brian, owner and operator at Captain Lockpick, and today I'm going to be showing you how to rekey this SC1 Mortise cylinder. It's pretty easy, you only need a few tools. It's pretty much the same process as rekeying any other lock, but if you have not rekeyed one of these yet, I will show you how to do it. So let's get right into it. Okay, so the tools we're going to use to rekey this lock are going to be some tweezers. You don't need these, but they make grabbing the pins sometimes easier. I don't typically use them, but with the whole coronavirus thing, I have been wearing latex gloves, and it's kind of hard to grab these pins with latex gloves, so I've been using these tweezers instead. We're going to need a small Phillips head screwdriver to take out these two screws right here. We will need a shim and a key blank, an SC1 key blank. The reason we need these is because I do not have the existing key to this lock, so I will show you how to shim the lock first in order to get the core out. Here is a plug follower, pretty standard locksmith tool as well. This is used to hold the top pins and the springs up as we pull the core out. Looks like I got it right from CLP supplies. Make sure you check out their videos, by the way. They have been posting a lot of good locksmithing videos as well. Okay, so the first step is going to be to take your cylinder, start removing the two screws out. Oh geez, I'm going to strip them out here. Those are in there really good. Let's try this one first. Okay, there we go. Alright, we'll take that screw and set it aside. Let's get the next one out. Okay, I'm having some troubles. Let me switch screwdrivers here. Alright, let's try this one. There we go. Alright, let's pull this other screw out. Set that aside, we'll pull the tailpiece off and we'll put it right over here. Okay, so I just tried shimming this lock. I had some issues with it. We are going to go ahead and spray some lock lube in it. It usually makes shimming the lock a lot easier. Okay, there we go. Now this is a 6-pin, and for the sake of not going through my keys and getting a SC4 key, I am just going to push this 6th pin up and shim it first. There we go. Now let's put our SC1 key blank in there. I don't know why I'm having so much trouble with that pin. Alright, I'm going to cheat. Let me grab the leashy tool real quick. Okay, now let's put this in there. See what's going on here. There we go. Okay, now we have the cylinder picked. Let's use our plug follower and pull that core out. So you just shove it through, keep the two ends together. There we go. Here is the old pins. We're going to go ahead and just dump those out right here. And we have our new SC1 key. I'm going to drop one pin here. I did not expect this to be keyed up to 6 pins, so I'm just going to drop that 6th pin and let the spring fall out, hopefully. There we go. Okay, let's begin loading this new core up with the pins to this key. First one is going to be a 4. Let's see. Put that one in there. Next one is going to be a 3. Then we have a 6. And then a 5. And last but not least, we have a 3. So if you did this correctly, all the pins should be flush with the top of the cylinder here, nice and smooth. Let's grab the rest of the lock and put it back together. Slide that through, perfect. Test the key real quick. Make sure you push in on the cylinder as you pull the key out so you don't send all the pins flying. There you go. Let's put the tailpiece back on here. Screw number 1. Oh geez. I dropped that one. I'll have to grab that in a second. We'll get this one started. Alright, where'd that screw go? Here it is. Put this one back in there. Alright, let's test her out. Looks good. So it's pretty simple. This is a Mortise cylinder. Mortise, however you would say it. This is how you rekey it. Thanks for watching my video on how to rekey this lock right here. Be sure to subscribe and keep up with all my locksmithing educational videos that I will be dropping. I'm going to start making more and more videos. My goal is hopefully like 2 to 3 a week. So yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying these videos and learning something. I am getting a lot of hate, I guess you could say, from other people on YouTube commenting saying, why are you showing people how to, you know, break into things and all this stuff. To me, information should be public to everyone. Information is neither bad or good, it's how you use it. So yeah, I will continue to post my videos and I will continue to share information with you guys about how locks work and how locksmiths are able to carry out their techniques. If you enjoyed the video, please drop it a like. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.